Hi D1, it's Mrs. Farmiga. I wanted to do something a little different with you guys today. Something if we were at school we would have been doing on the smartboard because we are all working on letter sounds in our class, right? So we're going to go through a bunch of pictures. I'm going to ask you what you see or what is it. You're going to answer what it is or what do you see. And then we're going to talk about what beginning sound we hear when we say the word, okay? So what do you see? I see a frog. Good job. Frog. What letter do you hear when you hear the word frog? Frog. That's right. You hear the letter F. Good job. Okay. What is it? It is a butterfly. Butterfly. What letter do you hear when you hear the word butterfly? Butterfly. The letter B, that's right. Good job. What is it? Do you guys know what that is? It is a caterpillar. Caterpillar. What letter do we hear? What letter? What sound do we hear when we hear the word caterpillar? That's right, we hear the sound C. Very good. Okay, what do you see? I see a whale. Good job, guys. Whale. What sound, what letter do you hear? Whale. That's right, the letter W. Good. Okay. What do you see? I was getting ahead of myself. What do you see? I see a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. What letter, what sound do you hear when you hear the word hippopotamus? That's right, you hear the sound, the letter H. Okay, what do you see? I see a fish. Good. Fish. What do you hear when you say the word fish? You hear the F sound. Fish. Very good. Okay, what do you see? I see a boat. Boat. What sound do you hear? What letter does boat begin with? That's right. It begins with the sound B. Okay, what do you see? This may be a little hard. What do you see? This is a rope. Rope. What letter begins the word rope? Rope. That's right, the letter R. Very good. Okay. What is it? It is a snake. That's right. Snake. What letter begins the word snake? That's right, the letter S. You guys are doing great. Okay. What is it? It's a bird, but that's not what they're looking for. This is a parrot. Parrot kind of bird. What letter makes the sound parrot? That's right, the letter P. Very good. I'm going to do a couple more. Okay, this is one of my kids' favorites. What is it? It is a goat. Goat. What letter makes the sound G for goat? That's right, the letter G. Very good. One more we'll do together. Nope, level 2. Nope, that'll be it. We'll stop at level 1 for now. You guys were great, and I hope to see you again soon. I miss you guys. Bye.